Hey, welcome to the first day of summer garden in Devon, season 2. And not much of a real big update for you. So I just did some trimming of that rose bush over there. It hasn't produced any roses yet. And I weed whacked my area, and I did some weed whacking over around that corner too, and around the back. But yeah, my landlady was awesome enough, as she is, to leave me the battery-powered still trimmer, which makes things a lot easier without a cord. And I did that run. It goes all the way down outside the fence, all the way to the road. And I did all of my garden area and all that stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to keep on top of this because I don't want to be walking around and wading through grass and weeds and everything else. So trying to keep on top of my trimming around my garden to keep it nice and clean. So yeah, I hope you all are having a beautiful day. Oh, this tree. I hate to look at this tree because it just reminds me that the deer clipped it all off. But hopefully we'll get some more growth and some more apples out of this, because I don't see very many buds on this side of the tree. There's like a few on the other side, but yeah, might not be a banner year for apples. But hopefully it will be for everything else. My cantaloupes seem to be faring nicely, and I haven't seen anything come out of the ground otherwise, but we will see. I put on some fertilizer today. Probably not the right thing to do, but I'm a novice gardener, and when I did my soil test, it said that I needed some compost. So, did some compost fertilizer and put it down, and then yeah, it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow, so we will see what happens. And yeah, but my yeah, I did a soil test pH the other day, and the potatoes and everything are all right. It was this bed here that was a little low, and the corn is actually all right as well. So yeah, so I put a little bit of compost and fertilizer into the other two beds, and hopefully they will kick in. But I grew stuff last year. Mind you, it was the Devon soil that was there. This is all new soil, so probably this year it probably won't even grow. We shall see. Like, subscribe, ask questions, share, all that good stuff. I hope everybody's having a great, beautiful day. First day of summer.